Welcome to this masterclass on Kotlin's delegation pattern using the by keyword. In this video, we'll explore one of Kotlin's most powerful features that makes your code cleaner, more maintainable, and truly elegant. Let's dive in and discover how the by keyword can transform the way you write Kotlin code. So, what exactly is delegation? Delegation is a design pattern where one object forwards responsibility to another object. Think of it as handing off work to a helper. The by keyword in Kotlin automates this pattern, making it incredibly simple to implement. Instead of using inheritance, where a class becomes a child of another, delegation favors composition. This means your classes work together rather than forming deep inheritance hierarchies, leading to more flexible and maintainable code. Let's start by looking at a basic example without delegation. Here we have an interface called printer with a single function named print that takes a message parameter. We then create a class called console printer that implements this printer interface. It overrides the print function and simply prints the message to the console using println. This is straightforward, but watch what happens when we want to add more functionality. Now, let's say we want to create a logger class that also implements the printer interface, but uses an existing printer to do the actual printing. In manual delegation, we create a logger class that takes a printer parameter. We implement the printer interface and manually forward every function call to the delegate. In the print function, we have to explicitly call printer.print and pass the message. This works, but imagine having an interface with 10 or 20 functions. You'd have to write forwarding code for every single one. That's a lot of boilerplate code to maintain. Here's where the magic happens. With the by keyword, all that boilerplate disappears. We simply declare our logger class with a printer parameter, implement the printer interface, and add the by keyword followed by the printer delegate. That's it. Kotlin automatically generates all the delegation code for us. No more manual forwarding, no more repetitive code. The compiler handles everything behind the scenes, making your code clean and concise. It's like having an intelligent assistant that writes all the tedious forwarding code for you. But what if you need custom behavior for specific functions? No problem. Even when using the by keyword, you can still override any function you want. Here, we use by to delegate to the printer, but we also override the print function to add custom logic. We prefix the message with a log tag before forwarding it to the delegate. This gives you the best of both worlds: automatic delegation for most functions, and custom implementation exactly where you need it. You get the convenience of delegation with the flexibility of overriding. Let's recap the key benefits of using the by keyword. First, you write significantly less boilerplate code, saving time and reducing errors. Second, your code becomes easier to maintain and refactor since there's less duplication. Third, you favor composition over inheritance, which is a fundamental principle of good object-oriented design. Composition makes your code more flexible and easier to test. Finally, you maintain selective override capability, meaning you can customize exactly what you need while delegating everything else. It's a powerful combination of automation and control. Here's a real-world example that shows the true power of delegation. Imagine you're building a smart device class that needs both data storage and network capabilities. Instead of inheriting from multiple classes, which Kotlin doesn't support, you can delegate to multiple interfaces at once. The smart device takes both a storage and a network parameter. Using the by keyword, we delegate data storage to storage and network client to network, all in a single line. Now your smart device automatically has all the functions from both interfaces, and you can add device-specific functionality on top. This is composition at its finest, enabling you to build complex functionality from simple, reusable components.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.